Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install investor updates using Canva property flyers, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your browser and navigate to canva.com. Log into your Canva account, or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, input property flyer in the search bar at the top. Browse through the various templates available and select one that suits your style. Click on the chosen template to open it in the Canva editor. Now, you can replace the placeholder text with your own information. Click on any text box to edit and type in your investor update details. Adjust the font size, style, and color if needed to ensure it's legible. Next, add relevant images to enhance your flyer. To do this, select Uploads from the left sidebar and upload your own images. Drag the uploaded images into your design where you want them to appear. You can also explore the Photos section in Canva for stock images. After placing your images, adjust their size and position for a balanced layout. Now, consider adding visual elements like charts or icons. Select elements from the left sidebar and choose icons that represent your data. Position these elements strategically to support your message. Once you're satisfied with the design, review everything for consistency. Check the alignment, spacing, and overall readability. When ready, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Select the Download option from the drop-down menu. Choose your desired file type, like PDF or PNG. Finally, click the Download button to save your flyer to your computer. You can now share your investor update flyer with potential investors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.